know that NASA has something called fluorescence maps, which measure chlorophyll fluorescence light? These maps are based on data collected. Centre says humans can't see this light. Our eyes just aren't that sensitive to see the light that's emitted from plants all over the cell and is released into the atmosphere, which is why NASA stated that their satellite instruments have given climate researchers an unexpected global view from space of a fluorescent glow from land chlorophyll. But would you believe me if I told you that that bottle of olive oil on your kitchen counter also gives off a fluorescent glow that can be seen in space in much the same way as of olive oil with a green laser, and the oil will glow red? And it's not just lasers that will get the olive oil or the discovery of the quantum theory that explains how it all works. The Quran actually addressed this issue in a fascinating verse. In verse 35 of chapter 24, the Quran says, Allah, God, is the light of the heavens and the earth. The parable of his light is like a niche pillar. In it is a lamp. The lamp is in a glass. The glass is like a brilliant planet lit from an olive. The planet with the glow of the oil derived from olives, as both shine in the same way by fluorescence. Both are also dependent on the same physical phenomenon, coherent, like the light from lasers, when there is a fixed phase relationship between the electric field values at different locations or at different times. Coherent light waves are waves with a constant phase difference. When God says light upon light in the verse I mentioned just now, he's referring to superposition of light waves. Was this back then in any way, shape or form? Although planet is defined as a body that orbits a star in our case, what's more, the Quran refers to it as light upon light long before the existence of the quantum theory of coherence. A comprehensive analogy 1400 years ago. Was the Prophet Muhammad a quantum physicist? The answer could only be that the Prophet Muhammad had received divine revelation from God, the creator and originator of the universe.